Alright, it's night time, but we are replacing the upper ball joint on this 2016. It's a Grand Cherokee. It's a Laredo. So this is the tool what we need to replace the upper ball joints. Too hard, but it's not too hard. Just the jack, jack the end, the whole body. All car you have to jack it up. Put on under the car, a jack stand just for the security. Remove the upper ball joint nut and release it from the nut over here. I prefer tight with the straps, leave them over there to don't let it go out. So that way will be, the axle will be safe. And then put the machine right here. Okay, put this adapter right here with the cap, with the zig plank, heavy duty zig plank. I use my it's a vice grip just to keep the part of the where the thread is for the upper ball joint in place. With this one you have to screw this one, so sometimes can fall down or fall out or get out. So if you can use a vice grip, just keep the bolt in place with the end of the screw, and then screw this one right here. This one is a 7/8 socket. So see it now is yep, the ball joint is out. Alright, you can see how bad this is. They have a play. Up and down, so yeah, the new one. There, all brand. So hope everything will be fine. Thank you for watching our video. Have a nice day.